So guys, you know, a lot of times I shoot these videos and you can hear snoring in the background. But I wanted to show you that, you know, my brother's actually a pretty talented musician. So this video is going to be a little different from my usual horror collection updates. So Antonio's going to play a song for you guys. And hopefully this will garner some more attention from the ladies on my YouTube channel. So go ahead and play us a tune, please. Show these people you're capable of more than just snoring.
Oh, shut up. She told me that I'm not enough. She left me with a broken heart. She fooled me twice, it's all my fault. She cut too deep and she left me scarred. And there's so many thoughts running through my brain, and I'm taking shots like never again. Oh, I fall apart down to my core. Oh, I fall apart down to my core. Didn't know it before. Surprised when you caught me off guard. You were my shorty, I thought. All this damn jewelry I bought. Never had a feeling this hard. Harder than the liquor I pour. Telling you to want more, but I can't let it go. And everybody told me so. Feeling like the soul of my soul. Ooh, I fall apart down to my core. Ooh, I fall apart down to my core. Ooh, didn't know it before. Surprised when you caught me off guard. All this damn jewelry I bought. You were my shorty, I thought.
Fuck yeah! You killed it.